Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging in your device Oppo A38. In this device Oppo A38, I'll show you how to enable it. Before move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.